Hey there, in this problem we're given a function f of x, which is 1 over root x, and we're just asked to find the derivative. We're not going to use first principles, but we're going to use what's called the power rule, which means if f of x is equal to x to the a, where x is the variable and a is some constant, then f prime is a x to the a minus 1. Okay, so we just have to get it into this form where we have a x to the a. So let's rewrite. We have f of x is equal to 1 over root x. That's the same thing as f of x to the x to the half, which is also the same thing as x to the minus half. Okay, so now we can take the derivative. It's in the correct form, x to the a. So then f prime is negative half. See, the a basically comes down, and then we have x, and then we subtract 1 from this value, and you should know that minus half minus 1 is the same thing as if I do minus 2 over 2, which is minus 3 over 2. So that's minus 3 over 2. So technically this is a correct answer. Usually though, because this was written with a positive exponent, we usually leave it as 1. Not necessarily a rule, but it's sort of a convention. So let me just show you what we would do here. I would keep the negative with the 1, so that'd be a negative 1, over 2. 2 is in the denominator. Now this is a negative exponent, so we can bring that down. So x to the 3 halves. That's one possibility. Or we could write negative 1 over 2. Since this was written with a root, sometimes people like to the answer to be written as a root, so we can say square root of x cubed. Just break up that square root, that 1/2 power, and put it as a square root. So all three of these are technically correct.